But I can only suggest with love, walk with honor beneath the heavens above. Not because you must wear a perfect face or pretend to live some holy grace, but because this world forgetting itself, trading spirit away for temporary wealth. People losing respect every day, throwing their own humanity away, losing respect for the creatures and trees, poisoning oceans and burning the seas, and the water we drink, the air that we breathe. The earth beneath our feet was never ours to destroy carelessly. We belong to creation too. So be a decent man, be a decent woman, so all of humanity can win. Respect the elders before they're gone, protect the children while they're young, care for the rivers and skies above, walk through this life with dignity and love. Teach the youth now. You came into this creation crying breath, and one day you return your body to death. Back to the soil, back to the rain, back to the cosmic cycle again. So